Hi everyone, on this video I'm gonna show you how to increase or decrease the volume of a video in Davinci Resolve. So if you wanna decrease or increase the volume of a clip or a video that you are editing in Davinci Resolve, here's what you need to do. First, you need to select a video that has an audio to your timeline, and I already have mine here. This one. Let's check. I'm gonna show you how to flip a video on a DaVinci Resolve. Okay, so I actually use my own video for this tutorial, and if I want to increase or decrease the volume of this video, here's what I need to do. So first, I need to select the audio clip or the video clip, and then go to Inspector, and then on the inspector select audio, and in here you'll see the volume um, section. All you need to do if you want to decrease the volume of this video, all you need to do is just drag the volume to the left side. So let's check if the volume has already decreased. So I actually didn't hear anything. So if you want to increase the volume of this video, just drag the slider to the right side. How you can do it. First, go to Inspector. There you go. I already
Once
hear my
you
voice. So again, if you
added
want
a
to
clip on
decrease,
your timeline, go to
drag
Inspector.
the volume slider to the left. So see that the volume is already decreased and I can't hear anything. And now, if you want to increase the volume, just drag it to the
Transform,
uh,
look
right
for
side.
flip. You have two options on flip. The first one is this. So that is the first flip. And the second flip is this one.
And there you go. That's how you increase or decrease a volume of a video in DaVinci Resolve. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.